If you need to access your GoDaddy cPanel email, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to log in, open cPanel, find your email accounts, and launch Roundcube so you can start checking your messages fast. This is a simple process, but if you've never done it before, it can feel a little confusing, especially if you're moving between GoDaddy, hosting, and email settings. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly where to click and how to get into your GoDaddy email without wasting time. And if this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. The first thing you want to do is go to the GoDaddy website in your browser. Once the homepage loads, sign into the account that's connected to your hosting and email service. Use your email address or username and password, then complete the login process. After you're signed in, you'll be taken to your GoDaddy account dashboard. From here, look for the section called My Products. This is where GoDaddy keeps your domain, hosting, and other services. Under My Products, find Web Hosting and then click Manage next to the hosting plan that contains your cPanel setup. Once the hosting dashboard opens, look for the option to Open cPanel. GoDaddy usually places this in the hosting management area, so once you see it, click it to continue. cPanel is the control panel where your website and email tools are managed, so this is the key step that gets you closer to your mailbox. After cPanel opens, look for the email section. Inside that area, click Email Accounts. This page shows the email addresses that have been created for your domain through cPanel. Find the email account you want to access, and next to it, click Check Email. This is the shortcut that takes you directly to the webmail login options for that mailbox. When the webmail page appears, you'll usually see a choice of webmail clients. Click Open Roundcube. Roundcube is the web-based email interface that lets you read, send, and organize your email right in the browser. Once Roundcube loads, you'll be inside your GoDaddy cPanel email inbox and can start managing your messages immediately. If you don't see the email account you expected, double-check that you opened the correct hosting plan in GoDaddy and that the mailbox was created inside cPanel. Also make sure you're using the right account tied to the hosting service because that's the most common reason people can't find their email. And that's it. You now know how to access GoDaddy cPanel email step by step. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more easy walkthroughs, and leave a comment if you want help with other GoDaddy settings or hosting tasks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.